If you're struggling removing the copper washer from the engine after removing the diesel injector, then this video is for you. Sometimes these can be a nightmare to remove, and this is the only way I have found that works 100% every time. This inexpensive tool available from Nielsen is fantastic. It has a tapered thread that really grips onto the copper washer. So, how is it used? With the injector removed, screw the Nielsen tool in fairly tightly into the injector seal, then using the slide hammer upwards and it will pop out. You can see here how it tightly grips onto the seal. This is a great tool. I will pop a link in the description. This has been how to fix it. Why not check out some of our other videos here. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.